now, as usually, we are checking what are the different options that are supported by the dictionary. I am using a dot. So here you can observe clear that we will perform at the end. Copy, we can copy one dictionary to another dictionary, that we will check. Okay, now I am copying this dictionary to the new dictionary B. So the keys and values, the combined pair key and value is called as item. The items in dictionary A are copied to dictionary B. Now we are checking what is the data type of B. B is also a dictionary. So all the elements are copied to B. Now we can clear all the elements in B by using the command clear. So the entire elements are cleared. Now B is an empty dictionary. Now we are checking what are the different options. A dot. So we have discussed clear and we have discussed copy. Now we are discussing about get. Okay. What is this get? So already I am printing A once again. When I write a dot get of 1, the key value, then corresponding value will be printed as 10. If I write a dot get 2, corresponding value is printed as 20. A dot get 4, corresponding value is printed as 500. If I write a dot get 5, because the key 5 is not there here, it will not give any output. But if I write a of 5, it gives the error. That is the only difference between a of 5 and a dot get of 5. A dot get of 4 and a dot a of a square brackets 4 is giving the same 500. But when a particular key is not there in the dictionary, then a dot get is not giving any result, and a 4 in the square brackets, a4 in the square brackets is giving 500, a5 in the square brackets is giving error because that particular key is not there. Now I am taking another dictionary. Some C is equal to, now this time I am taking some fruit as a key. When I give the key as a fruit, apple should come. Now next I am giving the sport. When I give the key as a sport, cricket is the output, is the value should come. Now I am giving the country. When I give the country as key, then the output, the value should be India. I am also giving some integer keys 2. When I give the key 2, the value 50 should come. When I give the key 3, the string India flag, this is the string that should come when I give the key 3. So when I give 9.8, then it is gravitational constant. Gravitational constant. Okay. A dictionary C is created. Now I am checking what is the data type of C. It is a dictionary. C dot index, C dot get, C dot get. Now I am giving the key and asking what is the value, apple. I can also give this as C in the square brackets, fruit, the same result will come. But when I give the key like state, this particular key is not at all there, so error is coming. So when I write C dot get state, it is not giving any result. That is the difference between get and C of the value, the key what we are taking in the square brackets, C the value, the key we are taking to this key, there is no key in the dictionary. That's why error is coming. But even though there is no key, C dot get is not giving any error.